So if you're thinking about a dental care kit, this is actually a great option. The reason for that is it works very nice. You get it in a box. HOKIN is the name, and it comes its own little case which you can zip up. So you'll see it's easy for travel. So if you want to travel with it, it's easy for dental care treatment and just keeping your teeth nice and looked after. You get a probe, a tartar scraper, a scaler, and a mouth mirror so you can see inside. So let's have a quick look at it and see how good it actually is. When you zip it out, let's have a look at this build quality. So you've got the mirror itself. Feels like a nice option. Is metal. Let me get you a little bit close on this so you can see. You can see here the mirror is a nice option. You can easily access the back of your teeth, which is very interesting. And it's not fog proof, which is interesting. Stainless. Hmm. Wow, okay, so you can see behind my teeth very nicely there. That's quite a nice option. You've got the little scraper. Okay, nice. There's two different angled options there. So with these, it works nicely because you have a little angle on them. You can see that angle there and that angle there. They're metal, and then you've got a little picker tool here as well. So I would say be careful with these because if you're gonna be cleaning your teeth, you don't want to cause any damage or any issues for yourself. So just be careful with all of these and get some advice if you need to. So overall, this is a dental treatment kit, and it comes with a number of options. It feels like a good build quality, and the way it's built, it will be easy to clean and maintain. So with this, it's nice, it's good. You've got little protective sleeves on these. Got like a little picker there. You can see just about. And you want to just be mindful with these and be safe. They come nicely in the kit where you can put them in and zip them up. If you're in a bit of a rush, you can easily put them away. So with these, it's a DIY hygiene kit, and I feel like it's not bad. It's like a little bit different, something a little bit different, worth checking out if you're thinking about it. By the HOKIN brand, reasonable price, and the build quality is nice, easy to use, good value for money, and they're effective, so you can use them quite easily. Quite impressive.